Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making skull pizza in the oven. Let's begin. We have here one skull cakelet pan, and I bought this off of Amazon. We have here 1 tablespoon of melted butter, and we're going to brush it onto the pan. There we go, we brushed some butter into the pan. We're going to put the pan to the side. We have here 3 cans of thin pizza crust. You'll want to make sure to use the thin pizza crust version. And let's open it up. And this is to use a spoon and press against here. We're just going to use our fingers. And there you go. We're going to take it out. We're going to roll out the dough. We're going to cut it into 3 pieces. Just like that. We're going to sprinkle some garlic powder. And lastly, some oregano. Next, we're going to put them into the cake pan. We're going to take each one and put it into the skull mold. As you can see, it's not really wide enough, so we're going to open up another can. We're going to season this extra sheet with some garlic powder and some oregano. Since this is not wide enough, we're going to cut little extra strips. Cut in half. And we're just going to make it a little wider. Just like that. There you go. With that side. There you go. Next, we're going to add 3 pepperonis. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3 pepperonis. Next, we're going to add some mozzarella cheese. And lastly, we're going to add some pizza sauce. And we're going to seal it up. Just like that. We're going to close it up. Same thing for the last one. 1, 2, 3, and seal it up. We're going to open up the last pizza dough. We're going to put that to the side. And we're going to take this pizza dough right here and put it on the side as well for right now. And we're going to roll this out. Season it with some garlic powder. And some oregano. Cut this into 3 pieces. And we're going to place it into the cake pan. 1. Next, we're going to take some of the leftover butter and brush some on top. Okay, we set the oven to 400 degrees. And now let's put in the skull pizzas. Okay, we're gonna put them in. And we'll be back in 18 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 18 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Next, we're gonna take this and flip it over. Next, we're gonna take these and put them on a plate. Okay, this is what we have today. Pizza skulls made in the oven. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.